Good morning to one and all. We are going to do module 4, that is the continuation of the module 4 initial value problem. So continuation will be, now already we have seen Milling's method, Adam Blatchforth method. Next one is Taylor series method. So Taylor series method, consider a first order equation dy by dx equal to f of xy. Differentiate the equation 1, we have d square y by dx square is equals to dou f by dou x plus dou f by dou y into dy by dx. So double differentiation will be equal to f of x plus f of y into f dash. Differentiating this successively, we will be getting y triple dash y to the power 4 etc. Putting x equal to x naught and y equal to 0, the values of y dash naught, y double dash naught, y triple dash naught can be obtained. Hence the Taylor series goes like this. So f of y x y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught y dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash of naught, so on, gives the values of y for every value of x for which the formula conveys. So this is the Taylor series formula which you all have to remember. Once again I will repeat. See, y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into y dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash naught, and so on. So we'll go to the problem, that is problem number 1. Find by Taylor series method the value of y at x equal to 0.1 and x equal to 0.2 to 5 places of decimal from dy by dx equal to x square y minus 1, where the initial value of y of 0 equal to 1. So write down the given things: y naught equal to 1, x naught equal to 0. Given dy by dx is x square y minus 1. So that is nothing but y dash is x square minus x square into y minus 1. So x naught is 0, y naught is 1. So y dash will be equal to x square y minus 1. Substitute the initial value x naught and y naught in given dy by dx or y dash. So your y dash will be equal to minus 1. Differentiating successively and substituting, we get the values. Now differentiate dy by dx to the second differentiation, that is d square y by dx square, or you can tell it as y double dash equal to 2x into y plus x square into y dash. X value is 0, y value is 1, x value is again 0, y dash value is minus 1, which we have got it. So after substituting, y double dash will be equal to 0. Similarly, differentiate with respect to the third order, we get 2y plus 2x y dash plus 2x y dash plus x square y double dash we get, keeping one term constant and differentiating the other one. So y value is 1, x value is 0, y dash value is minus 1, y dash value is minus 1, x value is 0, y double dash value is 0. After substituting, we get y triple dash equal to 2. Next, differentiating with respect to the fourth order, we get 2 2y dash plus 2y dash plus 2xy double dash plus 2y dash plus 2xy double dash plus 2xy double dash plus x square y triple dash. So substituting the values of y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and x value, we get y to the power 4 equal to minus 6. Substituting y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y to the power 4 in the Taylor series, we get y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught y naught dash plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash plus x minus x naught the whole raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial y raised to 4. So initial value y1 y naught is 1 plus x minus 0 into minus 1 plus x minus 0 the whole square divided by 2 factorial into 0 because y double dash is 0, x minus 0 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into 2, y triple dash is 2. X minus 0 divided by 4 factorial the whole raised to 4 into minus 6, y to the power 4 is minus 6. After substituting we get the equation, that is 1 minus x plus x cube divided by 3 minus x to the power 4 divided by 4. Then y of x equal to y of x equal to 1 minus x plus x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus x to the power 4 divided by 4. We have to get the value of 0.1. So substitute a x value as 0.1 in the above equation. So y of 0.1 will be equal to 0.90031. To get y of 0.2, substitute the value of x in this polynomial equation as 0.2. We get y of 0.2 as 0.80227. Next, similarly, second problem goes like this. Employ Taylor method to obtain appropriate value of y at x equal to 0.2 for the differential equation dy by dx equal to 2y plus 3 into e to the power x, y of 0 equal to 0. Compare the numerical solutions obtained with the exact solution. We have y dash equal to 2y plus 3 e to the power x, y of 0 equal to 0. So given equation is y dash is 2x plus 3 into e to the power x, and initial value is given, x naught is also 0, y naught is also 0. So differentiating this equation to the second power, before that we have to substitute the initial value to find y dash value. So substitute your x naught and y naught has 0 in the initial value. So we get y dash equal to 3. Differentiating this with respect to the second order, we get 2y dash plus 3 into e to the power x. So substituting the value of y dash as 3 and x value as x naught has 0, we get y double dash equal to 9. Similarly, y triple dash will be equal to 2 into y double dash plus 3 into e to the power x. So y triple dash will be equal to 21. Y to the power 4 will be equal to 2y triple dash plus 3 into e to the power x. Substituting your triple dash value as 21 and x value as 0, we get y to the power 4 as 45. Substituting y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and y to the power 4 equal to values in the Taylor series. So Taylor series goes like this. Y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught y naught dash plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial into y double dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash naught, and so on. Substituting the values of y naught dash, y naught double dash, y naught triple dash, we get the equation. And they have told us to find x at point 2. So substituting the x value as 0.2 in the above equation, we get y of 0.2 equal to 0.8110. Now dy by dx equal to 2y plus 3 to the power x. So what we have got, y dash minus 2y equal to, we just change the equation to y dash minus 2y equal to 3 into e to the power x has Libertines linear in x. If initial value being 2 of minus e to the power minus 2x, the solution will be y into e to the power minus 2x equal to integral of 3 to the power ex into e to the power minus 2x into dx plus c. So integrating that, we will get minus 3 e to the power minus x plus c. So your y will be equal to minus 3 e to the power x plus c into 2 c into e to the power 2x. Since y is also 0, x is also 0, x c value will be 3, that is constant value. Then exact solution is y equal to 3 into e to the power 2x minus e to the power x. When x equal to 0.2, then we get the exact solution to be y equal to 3 into e to the power 0.4 minus e to the power 0.2. So your exact solution of the equation will be y equal to 0.8112. This is to compare whether by using Taylor series and Libertines equations we are getting the same value or no. Up to 3 decimal places the values are same. That is, initial using Taylor series also we are getting y of 0.2 equal to 0.8110, and using Libertines equation also we are getting the value of y to be 0.8112. So comparing 1 and 2, it is clear that first approximate root to exact value up to 3 decimal places. Problem 3. Solve by Taylor series method the equation dy by dx equal to log of x into y for initial value of y of 1.1 and for y of 1.2, given y of 1 equal to 2. So we have to find y of 1.2 and y of 1.1 by using Taylor series. So given equation is y dash is equal to log of x plus log of y. That is, log of xy can be simplified and written as log of x and log of y. Initial value x naught is 1, y naught is 2. Substituting x naught as 1 and y naught as 2 in the above equation, we get y dash to be log of 2. Similarly, differentiating with this with respect to second order, we get y dash equal to log x is 1 by x plus log y is 1 by y, but differentiation of y with respect to x will be y dash. Substituting the value of x as 1, y has 2 and y dash as log 2, we get second order, that is y double dash equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 log of 2. Similarly, differentiate this with respect to third order. So when we differentiate, this will be minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by y into y double dash plus y dash into minus 1 divided by y square into y dash. Substituting the value of y dash, y double dash, x naught and y naught, we get y triple dash equal to minus 1 plus half plus 1 divided by 4 log 2 minus 1 divided by 4 log 2 the whole square. Substituting the value in the Taylor series about x naught equal to 1, we have y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught y naught dash plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial y naught double dash plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial y triple dash 0, and continues. Substituting the value of x naught as 1, y naught has 2, and y dash has log 2, y double dash has 1 plus 1 divided by 2 log of 2, y triple dash naught is minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 minus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 the whole square. We get the equation like this. So it will be 2 plus x minus 1 log of 2 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2, 1 plus 1 divided by 2 log of 2 plus x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 6 minus 1 plus half plus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 plus minus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 the whole square. Now substituting the value of x as 1.1, because they have told us to find y of 1.1 and y of 1.2. So x equal to 0.1, when we substitute in the above solution or above polynomial equation, we get y of 1.1 equal to 2.036. Similarly, substitute your value of x equal to 1.2 in the above equation. That will be 2 plus 1.2 minus 1 log of 2 plus 1.2 minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus half log of 2 plus 1.2 minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial minus 1 half plus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 minus 1 divided by 4 log of 2 the whole square. We get y of 1.2 equal to 2.081. So we get y of 1.1 has 2.036 and y of 1.2 has 2.081. Or we can tell y dash equal to log of x plus log of y equal to log of 1 plus log of 2. So y dash will be equal to 0.301. Y double dash equal to y double dash equal to, substitute the values in the differential equations. Now we get y double dash, that is y dash is equals to 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y dash. So we get y double dash equal to 1.1506. Then y triple dash is equals to minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by y into y dash y double dash plus y dash y minus 1 divided by y square into y dash. So substituting the value of y dash value, y double dash value, we get the value of y triple dash equal to minus 0.4474. Taylor series, again substituting the values. Taylor series is y of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into y naught dash plus x minus x naught the whole square divided by 2 factorial into y double dash naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash, and so on. Substituting the values, we get y naught value is 2, x naught value is 1. We get the equation as 2 plus x minus 1 into 0.3011 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 into 1.1506 plus 1 x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 6 into minus 0.4474. So solving the equation for x equal to 0.1, substituting the x value as 0.1 in the above solution or above polynomial equation, we get 2 plus 1 1.1 minus 1 into 0.3011 plus 1.1 minus 1 divided the whole square divided by 2 into 1.1506 plus 1.1 minus 1 the whole cube divided by 6 into minus 0.4474. So we get y of 1.1 as 2.036. Similarly, substitute the x value as 1.2 in the above polynomial equation. After substituting, we get y of 1.2 equal to 2.081. This completes your Taylor series. So Taylor series is very easy. Only you need to keep the differentiation in mind. You need to differentiate the given dy by dx to the first order, second order, third order and fourth order. Once you substitute that, you have to substitute in your Taylor equation formula the values of initial values x naught, y naught, y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y to the power 4 to get the other equation or other solutions of y for the given problem. Thank you.